Hello, lovely YouTube family. The speed, the height, the twists, turns, and upside downs, that screaming in your stomach when you fly down a hill. A roller coaster ride lasts only for a few minutes, but you remember it for a lifetime. It's a thrilling experience that keeps you coming back for more. Have you ever wondered which roller coasters are the fastest ones ever made? Tell us in the comments below which ones you have visited and which of these is your favorite. Today, we're going to highlight the top 6 fastest roller coasters in the world. Number 6, Intimidator 305. Intimidator 305 is located in the Kings Dominion Playground, Virginia, United States. This opened in 2010 as the largest roller coaster in the northern U.S. The highest peak is 305 feet. And when going down the track, the speed can reach a whopping 90 miles an hour. The Intimidator's name itself comes from the nickname of a well-known NASCAR racer, Dale Earnhardt. Likewise, the colors of the tracks in yellow and red are inspired by the color of Dale's car. If you live in Virginia, you probably know Intimidator 305 is an ultimate thrill out there. Number 5, Steel Dragon 2000. Located in Mie Prefecture, Nagashima Spa Land, Japan. This Steel Dragon 2000 offers the longest track roller coaster in the world with a maximum speed of 95 miles an hour. Yes, it's even faster and scarier than the previous. When assembling the first peak, the roller coaster takes quite a long time, but it pays off after the passenger glides from the descent with a scarier speed and height. It is said that the cost of building the Steel Dragon 2000 cost $50 million. Number 4, Tower of Terror 2. The Tower of Terror 2 was a steel shuttle roller coaster located at the Dreamworld amusement park on the Gold Coast, Queensland in Australia. When the Tower of Terror opened on 23 January 1997, it was the first roller coaster in the world to reach 100 miles per hour. 160 kilometers per hour speeds, making it the scarier and fastest roller coaster in the world of its time. Up to 14 riders at a time were electromagnetically accelerated to 160.9 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, in 7 seconds, along with the extended 206-meter, 676 feet, launch tunnel. Would you believe that riders were almost weightless during the entire vertical section of the ride for about 6.5 seconds, 3.25 seconds going up and 3.25 seconds falling back down? Enjoying this video so far? Then it's time to hit like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss our next interesting videos. Number 3, Top Thrill Dragster. Put the pedal to the metal because no speeding tickets are cited to Top Thrill Dragster. 3.8, that's right, 3.8 seconds. That is all it takes to go from a complete standstill to 120 miles per hour. The Top Thrill Dragster includes the second highest steel frame roller coaster in the world. The roller coaster is located in Cedar Point Amusement Park, Ohio, United States. This roller coaster was made by Intimate AG and opened in 2004. You will never experience speed like this anywhere, even with a true drag strip Christmas tree light counting down the launch. You'll never be ready for the pure adrenaline rush packed into a 17-second race. Number 2, Kingda Ka. Number 2 on our list is Kingda Ka, which is located on the Six Flags Great Adventure in the park of Jackson, New Jersey, United States. Kingda Ka was opened in 2005 and continues to attract many people who want to boost their adrenaline. Kingda Ka has a jungle theme, and it runs on double tracks to keep the excitement going. When crossing the Kingda Ka track, passengers are first blown up with super strong gas pressure, racing at 144 miles an hour until the train is able to climb the track with a very extreme slope. Guess what? It is 90 degrees as high as 456 feet. Then, after reaching the top, the train is rolled again with a similar slope, slammed into a 416-foot high hill, slowing down and then stopping. Kingda Ka is the fast, quick and scary with the highest steel trajectory in the world. King Dekat, named after a mythical tiger, treats you to the fastest and exciting 28 seconds of your life. Number 1. Formula Rossa. The fastest roller coaster in the world today is Formula Rossa, located at Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Its speed can reach a whopping 150 miles an hour in just 5 seconds. This ability comes from a hydraulic launch system, and according to the news, we can feel the sensation of a G-force driving a Formula F1 car while riding it. Cool, isn't it? Besides fastest, it's also scariest. Passengers must wear protective glasses when riding. And it is said that the track of the Formula Rossa was inspired from the Autodromo Nazionale Monza circuit. In which of these insane roller coasters have you already been? Let us know in the comments. We are very curious about what you think of these fastest roller coasters in the world. Subscribe to our channel. It's free. We upload new videos every week, so press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. I hope to see you soon. Till then, happy rolling.